to retest a major confluence of support. In today's analysis, I will take a look at Ethereum looking at a higher time frame, showing how you can capitalize on an exponential trading opportunity. If we take a look right here at the monthly chart of Ethereum, and first of all, we determine the overall trend, you can see that despite the crazy swings towards the upside and towards the downside, the overall trend on Ethereum is clearly towards the upside. If we now start looking at a specific market structure, you can also see that for roughly 7 years, Ethereum has been trading in a so-called rising channel formation. On the one side, we do have the upper resistance trend line by simply connecting all of the previous cycle all-time highs, starting with the cycle which ended back in the beginning of 2018, after which Ethereum saw a massive correction towards the downside, and then the previous cycle ended in the end of 2021, and once again Ethereum perfectly retested and rejected this upper resistance trend line, created bullish confirmation, actually bearish confirmation on the smaller time frames inside of this level, and this retest was then followed by a harsh rejection of roughly minus 80% towards the downside. On the other side, as you can clearly see, on Ethereum we also do have this lower green ascending support trend line, and basically always when Ethereum is retesting this support, we will see a move towards the upside. The final line which I have to draw in order to complete my analysis is a simple horizontal structure at this psychological $2,000 level. You can see that in the past this was acting as previous support, from which Ethereum perfectly started this short-term move towards the upside. Then Ethereum actually broke below this previous support, which was then acting as resistance. We saw the rejection towards the downside, and now Ethereum simply is creating a bullish break and retest, perfectly breaking above the previous horizontal structure. As I mentioned, it's roughly at $2,000, so we also do have a psychological level coming in, and we also have the ascending trend line. So Ethereum is actually about to retest a so-called confluence of support. If you're not long on Ethereum yet, you still have to wait for bullish confirmation on the smaller time frames. Also, we in the Elite program are waiting for bullish confirmation to then add to our current massive existing long position on Ethereum. The overall trend is towards the upside. Ethereum on the higher time frames is still in a clearly bullish market. And if we do get this bullish confirmation, then in my opinion, we will see at least a retest of the previous resistance roughly at this $4,000 level. And eventually, I also do expect the bullish breakout. And then, if we do have another crypto cycle, the sky is basically the limit also for Ethereum. If you enjoyed today's breakdown, as always, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. I will see you tomorrow with a fresh analysis. And just remember, when it comes to trading, and